Coding and Programming Crash Course, API Integration and Web Services. Introduction. In today's interconnected world, APIs, application programming interfaces, and web services play a crucial role in enabling seamless communication and data exchange between different software applications. They provide developers with the tools and protocols to integrate external services and leverage their functionality in their own applications. In this crash course, we will explore the fundamentals of API integration and web services, along with some interesting stories and examples to captivate our readers. We will then dive into the top 12 methods and techniques used in API integration and web services. So let's embark on this exciting journey. Interesting stories and examples. 1. The Weather API. Imagine you're building a weather application, and you need to retrieve real-time weather data from a reliable source. By integrating a weather API into your app, you can access accurate weather information, including temperature, humidity, wind speed, and forecasts. This integration allows your app to provide up-to-date weather details to users, enhancing their experience. 2. Social media integration. Many applications allow users to sign in or share content through social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. These integrations are made possible through APIs provided by the respective platforms. By leveraging social media APIs, developers can streamline the user authentication process and enable seamless content sharing, boosting user engagement. 3. Payment gateways. Online payment systems, such as PayPal or Stripe, offer APIs that facilitate secure and convenient payment processing. Integrating these payment gateways into an e-commerce application allows users to make purchases using various payment methods, while ensuring the security and integrity of their financial transactions. 4. Mapping and geolocation services. Applications that involve mapping, navigation, or location-based services rely on APIs like Google Maps or Mapbox. By integrating these APIs, developers can provide users with accurate maps, geolocation, routing, and other location-based features, enhancing the functionality of their applications. 5. Music streaming services. Music streaming platforms like Spotify or Apple Music expose APIs that enable developers to incorporate music playback, playlist management, and user-specific recommendations into their own apps. By integrating these APIs, developers can create music-centric applications that offer personalized music experiences to their users. 6. Travel booking services. Travel applications often integrate APIs from booking platforms like Expedia or Booking.com. These APIs provide access to a vast inventory of flights, hotels, car rentals, and other travel-related services. By integrating these APIs, developers can offer comprehensive travel planning and booking capabilities within their applications. 7. SMS and email services. Applications often require the ability to send notifications or communicate with users via SMS or email. API integrations with services like Twilio or SendGrid enable developers to send messages, automate notifications, and manage email communication seamlessly, enhancing user engagement and interaction. 8. Stock market data. Financial applications and investment platforms rely on APIs that provide real-time stock market data. By integrating these APIs, developers can retrieve stock prices, historical data, and other market-related information to power their applications and provide users with valuable insights for making informed investment decisions. 9. Content management systems. Content management systems, CMS, like WordPress or Drupal offer APIs that allow developers to create, manage, and publish content programmatically. These integrations enable developers to build custom applications that leverage the powerful features and content management capabilities of these CMS platforms. 10. Machine learning and artificial intelligence. APIs provided by machine learning and AI platforms, such as TensorFlow or Microsoft Azure, enable developers to incorporate advanced machine learning algorithms and AI models into their applications. These integrations empower developers to build intelligent applications that can analyze data, recognize patterns, and make predictions. 11. Video streaming and encoding. Streaming platforms like YouTube or Vimeo offer APIs that allow developers to upload, manage, and embed videos in their applications. By integrating these APIs, developers can offer seamless video playback, video management, and other video-related features to their users. 12. IoT integration. APIs provided by Internet of Things, IoT, platforms enable developers to integrate and control IoT devices within their applications. These integrations allow developers to build smart applications that interact with and control IoT devices like smart home appliances, wearables, or industrial sensors. Summarization. In this coding and programming crash course, we delved into the world of API integration and web services. We explored various interesting stories and examples that showcased the significance and practical applications of API integrations. Additionally, we covered the top 12 methods and techniques used in API integration and web services, including RESTful APIs, authentication and authorization, caching, and more. API integration and web services enable developers to extend the functionality of their applications, integrate with external services, and provide enhanced user experiences. By leveraging APIs, developers can access a wide range of features, data, and services that enrich their applications and empower them to create innovative solutions. Poem. In a digital realm where connections thrive, APIs and web services come alive. They bridge the gaps, they break the wall, enabling integration for one and all. From weather updates to social media's might, APIs make our apps shine bright. Payment gateways secure and true, allow transactions to swiftly ensue. Mapping services guide us near and far. With APIs, we navigate to where we are. Music streams through our ears so sweet, thanks to APIs, making melodies complete. For travelers, APIs open doors, booking flights and hotels with simple chores. SMS and email, messages we send. APIs facilitate communication to no end. Stock market data, financial might. APIs empower insights, shining a light. Content management, websites galore. APIs make publishing an effortless chore. Machine learning and AI's grace. APIs bring intelligence to every place. Video streaming, captivating our view. APIs deliver content that feels brand new. IoT integration, a connected embrace. APIs let us control devices with grace. In this digital landscape, APIs play their role, enabling innovation, empowering the whole. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $aid = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.